Hey grade 7, welcome to another edition of Mr. V Teaches Math. And today folks, what we're going to be doing is looking at converting fractions and decimals to percents. And so that's going to be our goal, is to express fractions and decimals as percents. Not too difficult. Last time we talked about how the three fractions, decimals, and percents are all closely related because you can express them in similar ways. Okay, so let's get to some examples. And what we have here is that young children, they grow 20 temporary teeth. The technical term is actually milk teeth. We probably just call them baby teeth. Between the ages of 6 and 10, permanent teeth, your adult teeth, push out these milk teeth. So the question then is, what percent of milk teeth are gone when 9 teeth have been pushed out? And so the first thing that we need to do is know that the fraction of milk teeth that are gone is 9 out of 20. Okay, that's the fraction that is gone. Now, what we want to do is we're going to set it up as a proportion with fractions, and we want to get it to some number over 100. And what we're going to do is, hopefully understand, we need to know what this number is. It's unknown right now. So what we're going to do is we are going to use scale factors. So it's 20 times 5 is 100. And then 9 times 5 means that x is going to equal 45. So we say 45 out of 100 equals 45%, represents the same thing. So therefore 45% of the milk teeth are gone. Now, we here use a proportion using fractions to convert from a fraction to a percent. Okay? That's example 1. In example 2, we're going to be converting this decimal 0.325 as a percent. And so what we're going to do, there are a couple different ways to do this. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to write 325 over 1,000, because this is 325 thousandths. And again, same sort of thing. I want to know what number that's going to be out of 100. Okay? And so, use a scale factor again. And so this time I'm going to be dividing by 10. And then over here, I'm going to be dividing by 10 as well. And bust up my trusty calculator. And so I'll take 325 divided by 10. Gives me 32.5. So it becomes 32.5 out of 100, which just equals 32.5%. Okay? So again, proportions, find the missing number, use the scale factor to convert a fraction, or sorry, in this case, a decimal to a fraction. There's a quick way to do decimals to percents as well. If you have any decimal like this, you can just multiply it by 100, and it'll give you the same answer. Okay, that's a really quick way to do it. Whatever the decimal is, times it by 100, that'll tell you the percent. Okay. Here's example 3. We're just going to use a calculator to express 42 over 70 as a percent. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take 40, I'm going to divide it by 72, and then I'm going to multiply it by 100%. Okay. So when I get my calculator out, I do 40. Sorry, I got the numbers wrong here. It's 42 and 70. 42 and 70. There we go. So 42 divided by 70 times 100 gives me 60%. Okay, and that's what I was just talking about, where you take the top number, divide it by the bottom number, and multiply it by 100 to tell you the percent that you get. Okay, that's it for this one. It's pretty quick. Have fun practicing this stuff in class.